What's a more common way for a native English speaker to express this idea? There were about 100 people in the crowd. Or there were over 100 people in the crowd. I'd like to expand on this idea. Do not use a ball with numbers unless referring to points on a scale. He is over 80 years of age. I receive over 20 letters a day. Compare, don't let the temperature get above 30 degrees. How would this be worded in conversational English? I like to stay at home on Sunday as I've said above. Or, I like to stay at home on Sunday as I've already said. To give you more context, "aba" is used in formal writing to refer to something that has been mentioned earlier. From the "aba" arguments, it can be seen that the borders of the dam project fall into two camps. In informal styles, this use of "aba" is inappropriate. How would this be phrased in natural English? Taking all the above into account, one could say that tourism does more harm than good. Taking all the above arguments into account, one could say that tourism does more harm than good. Allow me to provide further clarification. Instead of using the above as a loose reference to something mentioned earlier, make the reference more precise. Could you give me a more natural alternative for this sentence? He likes reading, especially novels. He likes reading above all novels. I'll give you some more details to consider. Above all means most importantly. Get enough sleep, eat lots of good food, and above all try to relax. How would this be phrased in natural English? This year English is above all my most important subject. This year English is by far my most important subject. Here is a bit more detail about that. With a superlative form, the most important used by far.